my screen is covered in water. What is... Oh my... Jeez. Oh, okay. That is... Yeah, thunder. Nice. Why today? I'm wet. Yeah. Good. Unexpected rain. It's so rainy. I can't. I'm wet right now. I'm literally wet. I can't see anything. I'm so wet. It's coming on my screen. Not good. It's raining harder. Yep, it's raining harder. It's raining even harder. What is happening? I don't know why my camera just turned blue. Oh my God, there's so much water. I have to get under something. It's too wet. I have to get under something. Okay, I'm good right now. Let me run over here. Oh, holy. Oh! My gosh. Okay. It's muddy. My shoe is so heavy. In there? Wait, we're gonna hide in there?
Yeah, we'll hang out here for a little bit.
Can I rub it on the mat?
Wipe your shoes off like that, dude. All the way on the edge. You gotta wipe them hard.
There you go. That good?
More. Okay. Come on.
It's so wet.
Wipe them again here.
Okay. You can hear that. I'm in a sheltering place.
I'm gonna use the restroom real quick, so please look away.
Do you hear that? No. How did you open that? Like that, huh? Wait, no, Bruce. I'm just trying to record out there. Getting very rainy. Jeez, why are you like that? Okay, it's closed. Is that live?
No, there's no power on.
We're just hiding in here because we're wet.
Yeah.
You open one of these windows. Gosh. Can you open?
You can open it.
How you? Oh, like that? I got soaked. A little wet too. That dog. A little doggy. He's wet from running around. What did that used to be? Oh, so there's no water in here either? Yeah. And the toilet doesn't even flush? It's just gonna smell bad in here. Is there used to be AC in here too? Oh, that's where the unit. Oh.
Why did you do that? Why did you do that?
Bro.
That wasn't Katina. No. It's over. You cannot. You shouldn't have done that. Man, that's a nasty feeling, I know it.
No power.
Yeah, we in the RV.
No power. It's like literally no power. Look. Nothing.
It's not.
Come on, let me open the door.
You should have seen Bruce. Well, we went to park the lawnmower and
Oh.
started barking. And then as he went to go pet the dog, and then Bruce came up and he ready to attack. In case the dog acted up. He wasn't playing.
Get the door. I got it. Oh no, it's not the door.
Alright.
Trying to
You
get
want
it.
to come back in? You don't? Okay.
Ugh.
Alright. We leaving. We heading out.
Ah.
Let's go. Follow me. We're not going to go that way. It's a little bit sticky.
Which way? Yeah.
Follow me. We're going this way.
It's so rainy. These plants are happy though.
Yeah. Plants are happy.
Where's come on? Wet. Very wet. I think we just have to find a rock to step on and get to the other side.
Try to clean your shoes off, like in here.
My shoes are. Oh wait, no, they're not.
On the leaves.
It's getting worse. The rain is getting worse.
We got some good shelter.
This is like a sprinkler. But not a sprinkler, but the sky. Oh my god! Stop getting on my iPad.
And Bruce is gone.
He's just like, nope.
He's gonna go into the tractor.
See, it's so wet. My iPad screen.
Come on, let's
There's
cross
water
over and
in
we'll go
it.
sit on the tractor. Come on.
Just sit on the tractor so it doesn't get wet. Oh no! I stepped through it.
Do this again. Clean your shoes off.
And my shoes are full of water. I need to fix my tablet after this.
Hey, Bruce. This is a good shot to record from. Spot to record from.
Can you borrow this from work again?
Mm-hmm.
For a tree? Does the steering work? How do you
Bruce?
How do you steer?
What's that? Want to come up here? Come on.
Okay.
Come on up.
Like,
Bruce, come here.
subscribe, and hit the bell. I don't know what's happening right now. I'll give you an
Come on.
update. I don't know what's
Come on.
happening. Oh, okay. Okay,
Come
he's
on.
soaking wet. Jeez.